Last time I went to my dental hygienist, she was cleaning my teeth. Well, she hadn't even started cleaning my teeth actually, but she was already on me about flossing. And I was like, you know what? I do floss. And then she was like, well, what kind of toothbrush do you use? And I said, I use the Philips electric toothbrush. And she's like, well, that's the best one. But she still wasn't happy with how clean my teeth were. And so sort of felt like my teeth, or was communicating to me that my teeth could be cleaner and my gums could be healthier. And I thought, at that moment, I said to her, look, this is it. I am tired of coming to you every time and you saying or communicating to me that my teeth and gums could be healthier, could be cleaner. I'm going home this time and I'm going to order one of these red light therapy mouthpieces that I've had my eye on for a while, and we're gonna see the next time I come back to you in 6 months if my teeth and gums aren't healthier. So I ordered one of these. They're super inexpensive on Amazon. It's called a Starlite Smile. You can click on it like this. And I just crossed my fingers. I thought I would be going back to my hygienist in 6 months and seeing what she thought about it. But it actually blew my socks off. I didn't expect to see instant results or to experience anything different. Immediately, I saw differences. So one of the first differences that I saw was that in the mornings, I scrape my tongue. And normally there's, sorry, like if this is TMI, but normally there's all this like goop coming off my tongue. And from
That's so gross.
I know, that's gross, right? But from the first morning I started using it, there was not all this goop, which, you know, if you use Ayurvedic terms, that's Maya, that's like the phlegm, it's toxic, right? That's coming off your tongue. It stopped. There was none of that. So it was cleaning my mouth. The other thing, the one thing that really pushed me to get this, and I didn't expect results from, was that when she cleaned my teeth the last time, there was this, I felt like corrugated cardboard on my front teeth that she just couldn't get off. And within a few days, it started receding. And then in a few days more, it was actually completely gone. Something that she couldn't scrape off went away by using this. So this has 32 red lights and 32 blue lights, and you can do just the blue or the blue and the red. And it has 635 nanometers of red light and 435 nanometers of blue light. So let's go into a little bit of what each of these do. The 455 nanometers of blue light has an antibacterial effect that kills bacteria, especially those involved with plaque, biofilm, and bad breath. So if you have bad breath, or if you have a partner that has bad breath, you can get them one of these. And this could be why my tongue started feeling cleaner, and why my mouth, you know, my mouth actually always feels clean now, which is an amazing feeling. So that could be why my mouth feels less grungy now. Because with the blue light, you're reducing the bacterial load at the source, which is like, that's amazing. So the 635 nanometers of red light that you do at the same time as the blue light, it stimulates circulation and healing. The red light boosts blood flow and supports tissue repair, including gum health and possibly remineralization at a subtle level. It may help reduce inflammation or irritation around the gums and smooth down calcified patches or tartar buildup that previously felt rough. So the blue light clears out the bad bacteria and the red light soothes and heals. So I first started looking into red light therapy for your mouth actually when one of you put a comment in my first red light therapy panel videos about, have you looked into red light therapy for your teeth? And I had actually never heard of it then. But I recently saw a video by Dr. Sean Talbot, and we'll put in a little excerpt here, where he talks about how the gut-brain axis, and they're starting to see how there's this link between the oral health, the gut, and the brain, and mental health. And he's going to talk about it way more eloquently, but he talks about how it affects anxiety and depression. And then I got really interested in how this might do even more for me than just my oral health.
We have known for a long time that the oral microbiome is related to inflammation, it's related to mental health. It's related to things like Alzheimer's. So if you have problems in your mouth, like you've got gingivitis or periodontitis, where you have an infection in your mouth, that infection can actually pass into the brain and lead to dementia. It can lead to inflammation in the brain, what we call neuroinflammation. It's been known for a while that dementia and neurodegenerative problems are related to problems in the oral cavity. But this is one of the first studies that has used a large population of people to look at the difference between what's happening in the mouth, oral microbiome, and comparing healthy people to people with mental wellness problems, such as depression and anxiety and PTSD and things like that. So, like I said, I'm going to post a copy of this paper up for you guys to read all the details, but I want to give you a highlight here. So this article, Probing the Oral-Brain Connection, explores the relationship between the oral microbiome and mental health in a pretty large cohort. So the full title, Probing the Oral-Brain Connection, Oral Microbiome Patterns in a Large Community Cohort with Anxiety, Depression, and Trauma Symptoms, PTSD, and Periodontal Outcomes.
So I know this is only my preliminary subjective experiences, but so far I'm really absolutely blown away, so much so that I'm completely happy to use it every single day for 10 minutes to get that clean mouth feeling that I just can't get enough of. And then in about 6 months, I'm gonna do a follow-up video when I can give you the feedback from my hygienist, and I hope that she's just as blown away by the health of my mouth now. I feel completely confident to go in there now, and I feel confident she's gonna be like, wow, oh my God, your gums, your teeth, they look amazing now. I just think it's gonna be amazing, and I can't wait to do a follow-up video, and hopefully she'll even come on camera and tell you a few things about how she feels my mouth has improved. But so if you're interested in that, please subscribe so you can see the follow-up video and what she thinks of that. And also, if you want to make sure that you do see my videos, then I'll put a link below so that you can get on my health tech email list, because sometimes YouTube doesn't always put my videos in your feed. And you can make sure that you get my videos, as well as I'll be doing some reports every once in a while so that you know what's coming up in the health tech world with red light, and also things like I do like vagus nerve things as well, like that. So make sure that you get on that as well. I also have a link to this device on Amazon. It's really inexpensive and I've been super happy with it. So if you want to grab that below as well. Like this video if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions about this below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.